Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. I'm Zanz. We don't have time to waste. With no further ado,
uzokulanda sikhatsini.
Ngicela ngilande bese siqeda umphako. Ngithi umalume ngicela angilande bese siqeda umphako.
Esikoleni kanti uyodla umphako noma uyofunda?
Ngiyofunda.
Pho umphako?
Ngicela umalume asheshe afike. Asheshe nje afike ngaphela. Azuyithatha i-charge tablet yami.
Okay.
Uthi ngibani namntana umisi wakho?
Umisi wami nguMiss Convoy.
Miss Convoy.
Not Miss Convoy, Miss Convoy.
You speak English. You don't lay Conroy.
Yes, but we have a soft R, so it's Convoy.
Conroy Moslo.
Yes, but it has it's a soft R, so we have convoy.
Which one do you prefer?
Prefer that. Yes, prefer this one.
Grade 8 Bafanas. Ufunda grade 8.
Oh, fuck, in the bathroom.
Show my lump.
Check, mama. Oh, God. Forgive my sins, but you. Unenzi kuya kwebao.
Olumukren.
Then I've checked my son snake up one. Why did this toilet smell like cock?
I just use the bathroom.
Oh, yeah, the kaka yako look legs and oh Lord.
Excuse me, must I give you a man?
I'll never drink. Oh, I am done with drinking. I will need to quit about. Let's keep boy. Oh, help! Help! I'm trying to phone ambulance.
I just want to be able to sell a malone.
Enough check trouble alien. Lord, I promise I'll go to Sunday school every Friday. Please, Lord. And the toilet you can send. I promise you, if you forgive my sins, I'll forgive yours, Lord. I'll never drink again. I'll never drink again. Huh? Feel better. Round 2, fight. Dimgile. Mjana. Second half.
Hey, Malume, didn't you just say you stopped drinking?
Check with him. He pull up box. I'm back like a spinal cord. Almost thought of vomiting my lungs. What was I gonna breathe? My arthritis. Dimgile, what did?
How many level? Pasoma, what's so long? Yo, what up, Wade? Ha, show machozi. Machozi. Yeah. Chup.
YouTube la maswita maningi correction
Oh.
kisova fonya
Hey.
maswita ding dong.
Yes, wena. Ha, Jaden Lani. Fa, kunugitiyo.
When are you dropping?
Drop. Eish. Hata balela
Baba sengehlule theleleni poison ngife. Baba sengizame konke upoison ngife. Hawu mina awusengehlule.
Oh shit. Yes, that's the next one. Thomas was a boy. I'm ready to leave. Oh shit. Nina jula khanda be chiki taka. It's again to near 5 rand. Fucking 5 rands there. The rest me the levels. 5 rands there. I was taking Kota Galimari. This guy's a fucking slave. Yeah, it's still. Ela solteio. Gente, ele solteio.
Ukhala njena.
Nada.
Nada. Pants. Ah, yeah. Yeah, man.
I'm passing the phone to a kid. Guys.
That's why Sizoba says.
Dependent. I'm passing the phone to the beauteous.
You take care.
Gale, bolala. Khopela le re botseng he. Pila ho tswa di auto. Ho tswa di date. Santse re tshwara bokae? Ke tshwara bokae pila. Cause nna vela ka mara tlhalanya ka nna ke re 200. Re totsa. Ona le tsa ba di senyang o di baobab. Ba senya pizza. And then pizza tse ba itsamisa ka 50 rand. Ha ba isintse ba di damage. Re ta ja di damage if you vela on mind. If one rather anything for Jomo is fine. Jomo to ra metlholo, Jomo ke mo dira tsotlhe. Ko khopela le mpotseng he ore ke bokae he.
Angena umfazi skinkile.
Akuyona skin killer. Skinkili.
Skinkili.
Okay.
Wangena umfazi skinkili.
Wangena umfazi kaSkinkili.
Skinkili, yes.
Yeah.
Wangena umfazi skinkili.
Wangena umfazi kaBhova.
Bhova.
Hayi no asho uBhova manje suthana noBhova wena. uBhova wami.
Bhova wami.
uBhova owami.
Bhova wami.
Wena waSkinkili.
Yeah.
Okay, ngena Skinkili. Ngena Skinkili.
Wangena umfazi skinkili.
Hayi uSkinkili, uSkinkili.
Uskinkili.
Skin. Hayi Skinkili. Skinkili.
Skinkili.
Isela behloko lenza.
Ay, choka takachona nyaka sikukuyi kwa man you beauty. Ay man you skin up crazy. Ay man squee na man. Ay. Squee. Ay man you beauty. Awe takachino ay ngeke.
Ngeke
Ka golf mo di pulembiana sa bereke di wepara. Yo ay mara batswadi yo ay ngeke. Yo ke first car ta re ta ira bya mara batho.
Can't you guys link my bank card to my boyfriend?
It's actually very possible to do that, my sister, and I can help you. So there's two options to do that. Option one is that you can send me your card number and then your CVV number. Then you'll receive an SMS. And once you receive that SMS with an OTP, send me that OTP number and then I can link your card to your boyfriend's. And then there's option two. Option two, all you have to do is send me 2.5 to have it sorted from my side because of the admin. And once you've sent that and your boyfriend's account number, then I'll have it sorted out. So yeah, it's very easy to do. Just DM me for more details. And you can spread the word. Tell your friends who need assistance with a similar issue and I'll be more than willing to help.
I don't know if you guys are working too quickly, but look at my chicken.
Can you say you're joking, please?
I'm not joking.
You're joking. Who am looking to be talking a serious?
Why would you guys give me raw chicken, my guy? I got raw chicken.
Mangos.
Raw chicken.
Tyler, make me sweat. Oh, Mr. Nation things. Udropa nini? Leadership.
Friday, oh, did you pay my signal?
Hi, thank you shoes.
The fabulous. Chipengo chapapa, chipengo changa, chipengo chai.
Hi, isn't just a spoon.
Mabalele Mabuga
Matigoloshi. Tikoloshi. Yin. Yin, mama. Yin. Yini bo? Wenze njani? Yini?
Oh. This is a fish? No, good job, man.
Wow. It's not funny.
It's beautiful.
Amazing.
I think it's my birthday, Mommy.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
I drew a picture of you.
Oh. Oh. What is that?
That's you. It looks just like you. It's ugly.
Okay, just come show me.
I sat here and posed for like 10 minutes. Let me see the product. Is that me? No, it's nice. It's so nice. Oh, I've never...
That comes out. You just have to fold it, and then you have to make it go like
Open
that. Then,
Mangaz ubhizi ulele lapha ubamba ifone. Khona manje bangi-interviewe ku-SABC. Ngiyovela kuma-news.
Delivering water for you. No, I never see them. I have to go to work. You understand how frustrating it is? Where do you get water? After a week, maybe. From a borehole, there's a nearby borehole or something like that.
Okay guys, here are the results for the test you wrote yesterday. Sia, 60. Well done. Smooth, 35. Viewers.
Sorry, ma'am.
Zach, 29. Drew, 28.
Drew?
Sianda, 29. Chudumanko, 12. I need to see you after this class, my boy. Okay, I have more.
Football squad.
Sivio, I'll kick you out.
Excuse me.
Okay, Derek, 7.
Yes. Ronaldo.
Sivio, 0.
Ah.
Yeah, you want to be a pussy making noise in the class. Look, you got 0 now.
Ma'am. It's better than nothing, ma'am.
It is nothing.
It's better than nil.
Jessica, what year were you born?
2004.
Marvin, what year were you born?
19.
Oam, what year were you born?
2007.
Lunga, what year were you born?
2003. Eddie, what year were you born?
19.
Kontombazane engangihlekisana nayo. Wait, sasingahlekisana, sasingadecide siyahlekisana nani ngo-2017 kwakuthiwa uMandisa Njapha. Mandisa la ukhona wenzani? Andu wagcina ulokhuzela ukuthi uyolotsholwa. Wodlala ngami. Awuyintombi enhle intombi le.